Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today we are going to go over another stock that I plan to keep on increasing my shares and go a lot more heavier. This stock we are going to go over, of course, is none other than Zillow, ticker symbol Z, or you can get the other one that has voting power, and the ticker for that one is, of course, ZG. Now, pretty much there is absolutely no difference between these two tickers. They are both representing the stock Zillow, the company Zillow Group. And the only difference is a few dollars in price value. And of course, ZG has voting powers. So with that said, guys, we are going to go over the stock. We're going to go over where's a good time to buy, where's a good time to sell Zillow, and what the future holds for this stock. We're going to go over some technical analysis. We're going to go over the charts. We are going to go over everything you need to know to be prepared for the stock, as to where the stock can be headed, where it's going, and where it is now. So with that said, guys, I don't want to waste too much time. Make sure you always smash that like button. Hit subscribe. It really helps out my channel. I really do appreciate it. Come check out my Patreon page. Come join us. Come trade with us. Come learn the fundamentals of the market with us. Where we're going to trade, where we're investing in long term, and how we are going to do it all. Come and check out my Patreon page. It is pretty much still on sale, and I'd be happy to help you guys join us and help you guys out. With that said, guys, let's begin. Yeah. All right, guys, let's check out what is going on with Zillow Group, ticker symbol Z. If you want to buy the one with voting power, you just put ZG. Same stock, just a few dollars more. Actually, it's now less. It's it's $1 less than the actual stock. Look at that. Z is now worth $1 more almost, pretty much. Anyways, we're gonna go over Zillow Group. Where's a good time I think is to buy, and where's a good time to sell. And I think right now Zillow is just starting to move. It is starting to freaking get out of its bearish zone. Look at that. We just need to start crossing 95. It did that. We went all the way up to $96. If you see here, it went all the way up to $96.10 on Friday for the day. And it was doing just fine until the market just plummeted that day, all right? And so far it looks like we have a box formation going on between $80 to $90 area here. This week could be a bumpy ride, or it could be a nice bullish week. We have no idea how the week is going, but I think if you do end up buying shares below $90, I think it is a good area to add. Anything below $90 would definitely be a great place to add shares. And the sell zone has not changed at all. All right, my sell target has not changed. We are still going for that 110, and I will not change this sell target area. This is our target to sell, and we will not sell anything less than 110. All right, and if we do break 110, which it can definitely happen when it's on a bullish run, we can see it breaking 110 and pretty much going all the way up to 120, right? Which is an absolute steal. We do see a lot of, look at that. If we do get it, like let's say we buy it at $90 and it goes to like 110, that's easy, a 20% return. And it goes to 120, that's like a 31% return. That is absolutely amazing right there, right? Who wouldn't want a 30% return on their money? And we could see that forming with Zillow, a nice formation. We got boxes going on several times. It just isn't able to break out of these, and it is very a bearish chart. As if we really look at it, the chart has been bearish. It has formed its tops several times here. It's formed a lot of tops. So we might have a form of a top here and a drop down, or it just Zillow can become pretty relatively bullish and just keep going up. All right, we don't know exactly, but it is good to nibble. All right, it is always great to start nibbling shares, buying a few shares a day here, buying a few shares there a day, here and there. As we can see, we got our buy signal already here, right? MACD already told us buy on this date, right? What is this date? Pretty much right here, right? This was your buy zone day, all right, which was really good actually. It was around $85. You're not gonna get the 83 bottom, but it's telling you to buy around between 85 to 86 was your buy zone day, right? It was like MACD crossed over, said buy, TSI crossed over, it said buy, histogram even said buy. Even the histogram is telling you it is on a nice bullish return coming back, right? Like we want to see a nice run. We just need to see a run, right? It did have a nice run from 107 to 120s, but then it's like bleh, like bleh. But what we need is to see another boom, a good run coming, right? A lot of stocks do this. They do run. This has been running for a nice while. If you really look at its weekly chart, it's been running very, very nicely. It had a very nice takeoff zone, right? The past year, it's been going up. It was going up very well, even $208, right? Now we just have a slow build up downward trend. We might start seeing some sideways movement. We can see it go down more. We can see it start building a little back up, right? Anything's possible. We just have 4 stages to look out for, right? You always want to check your eyes on the 4 stages of a stock, right? This one, it's very hard because most of the stage has just been down ever since $200, right? But we still have stages forming with this, right? We still get our stages, and it's still all relative, right? Nothing has really changed. We still form all our stages, right? That is how stocks work. They form stages. There's 4 stages in a stock, and we could get our stages here coming. It could bounce up. It could bounce down, right? There's many ways to follow Zillow. I think right now Zillow is bullish. It is trading above the 5-day and the 20. It did close pretty much right at the 5-day moving average and the 20, right? Actually above the 5-day, excuse me. It traded above the 5-day and above the 20-day moving average, which is our red line here. Our 5 is this blue line, right? This is the blue line here, and this is our red line. We did close above the 5-day moving average. If we check out on tip ranks, it is saying Zillow is worth still $140. ZG shouldn't be any much different. It can't be too much of a difference, saying 151, right? This is the one with the voting power, ZG. And without the V, is just Z, right? Class C. Class A has voting rights. Class C does not, right? And Class C is actually more expensive right now, which is crazy. So maybe even getting ZG would be the better move because ZG has voting rights and it's trading even below the stock that doesn't have voting power. And it's giving you almost a 40-cent discount, right? So I think we are doing okay with this stock. We're gonna have a nice trade. The only reason the market, this stock plummeted was because the whole market plummeted, right? It was a flat day pretty much on Friday. It was going up. It opened very positive and it just tanked the rest of the day. We were up at 440 and we tanked that to 437. It was a very, very flat day, I would say. I don't say it was a weak close. It was a bad close. I would just say it was a flat day, right? We didn't move high and we didn't move low. It was pretty flat day on the SPY. Anyways, guys, with that said, guys, I hope you do make some great choices on your trading experience. I hope you do trade and join me on this trade for Zillow. I really like this company, and I think Zillow will be making billions of dollars coming up. They already reported earnings last time, and they destroyed earnings. But look at that. They destroyed earnings, and its stock tanked. All right? They reported over $1 billion in revenue. They beat estimates by over 100%, right? Beating estimates over 100%, right? And they still didn't go up, right? That's sad, right? It means you're getting an insane deal right now on Zillow, right? They crushed earnings, and if you look at it, its annual return, it's pretty positive company, right? They're very cash flow positive company. They are buying houses and they're reselling it, right? So Zillow is some stock you definitely want to buy even for long term as an investment, but trading wise, I think this has a good bright future to come ahead. Thank you again for watching my video. As always, make sure to destroy that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so YouTube could alert you when my next video comes out. Also, guys, feel free to add me on Instagram. I pretty much post there daily, so if you want to be part of that, make sure to add me there. I post some buys and sells all the time on Instagram. Also, a lot of interesting facts about the stock market and other things in general as well. So check out my Instagram page. Link can be found in the description box below. Also, guys, leave a comment below. Let me know what other stocks you would like me to do a video on, or if you have a specific question on a stock or this stock, leave a comment below and let me know, and I'd be happy to help you guys out. Also, check out my Patreon page. Come and join us. Come and trade with us. It is still on sale, and I would be happy to have you guys on board trading with us. Also, do not miss out on the promotion right now going on with WeBull, where they're giving 2 free stocks, 1 just for signing up to use their platform, and 1 additional stock when you only make a deposit of just $5. WeBull will give you a second stock worth up to from $8 all the way up to $2,000. Also, right now they do have a contest where they're giving Tesla shares and Apple shares. Come and check them out. Links for that can be found in the description box below. If you want another free stock, of course, FirstTrade does give out pretty decent stocks here and there as well. Link in the description box below for that one as well. And of course, finally, if you want another free stock, you can get it from Robinhood. Thanks again for watching my video, and until next time, make money with Mike.